Hello guys, this is Phil. I created VersatileTec, and sometimes I fix some things, I repair some things. I'm an electronics technician, computers and automats. And today I'm going to repair the mechanic part of the window lifter, and I did it on the other side in 2018, and now this one is damaged. I got all the parts. I bought it on eBay, and I only need this part. Actually, it's only this I need, but most probably I have to replace. I also have to replace the cables. So that's it. I'm gonna crack on it, and this time is still windy. It's very cold today. It's very windy. The other time I replaced the rear bumper of the car, and my phone fell, and it made a little bit of a bruise, but it's okay. It's still working because I'm using it to record anyways. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on it, and I want to make it as fast as possible to put this working, because it's been malfunctioning or not functioning at all for a long time. Okay. So I'm gonna use one of these cordless drill. Okay. And first of all, I need a large screwdriver with a flat edge. Okay, I can also use a knife because I need to take off this lid from the it's protecting the speaker. Then I need to reach here, but I'm going to use a smaller one because I want to try to not to damage anything. Okay, so I remove that one also, and there is screw. It's kind of I think it's Allen keys, so big one. Maybe I don't even have that one, but I will have to find out a way of taking it off. I have to. Okay, I think it's this one. Okay, I found it. Okay, I found it. Okay, this one is a bit longer. I don't know if I have an extension, so I have to grab an extension. I have an extension right here. So how do I take this off? And let's try with the extension. See if I can reach there. That's awesome, it worked. Okay. This one is out. Is the handler. So handler is out, everything is out. Now I need to remove this little thingy here. Okay, this one is actually not very difficult to come out. And what is there more? Okay, so now it's just the screws that are here in this area that I have to remove. And I need small key. Okay, I found it. It's like this. I'm not sure, but it's similar to Allen keys or star keys. I don't really know the name of this one. I assembled this speaker, but the speaker is too small. It's smaller, it's potent, it's strong, but it's small. So I just added 2 screws and I will need to maybe get another one or sell these ones and get something else. Okay, so let me see. So yeah, there is some more screws here that I need to remove because they are attached to the door. So I need to go there in the door. These are longer screws, and there's another one here. I think the last time I tied it too much. Oh. Okay. And here it is. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, now now I know that I have to push this one out and up. I have to be careful with the speaker, of course. I don't want to damage it. And then I push it out and I push it up. It's easier to come out this one because look, and that is the opener, the door opener, and yeah. Okay, this one is out. So I'm gonna put it in some place safe. Otherwise, it's going to fly with the wind, and I don't want to create any more damages. So this one has been here for a while. Oh yeah, I remember that. I think maybe I used super glue or something like that the last time, or maybe not. It's just the old glue that was here. And yeah, there is some super glue on the corner. I had it to hold it up, and it goes. This is a very weak thing, anyways. Okay, so you're going to see what I put here. It was some pieces of wood. Well, gotta manage, you know. Gotta manage with this. So if I drop it, let me see if it falls a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to start taking it off, everything. There's still the bits that usually hold up that thing, they just got here, they just stay here, but most probably I have to remove them. Combination spanners number 10. Yeah, well, at least these are easy to use because they are number 10, but I can use this. So let's call up Mr. Driller. Oh, so what happened? Ah, okay. One, two, these knobs, 3, and sure I have to take off the whole system. And also this here is where the motor is. This is where the motor is. Okay, so here it comes. This part is a bit complicated. Okay, so it's gonna be a hard task. I suppose that most probably I have to take off the glass. I suppose I have to take off the glass first. So I have to remove this. And then so let me try to see if I turn it on and I can move it somewhere, because I need to make it easier for it to come out. Okay, seems like I need to take my glasses for this. This is becoming a hard job. I remember that when I fixed the other one and when I was trying to fix this one, it was really difficult. Ah, okay, I found out there is some it's these ones. I'll show you. It's these ones, and they have these, and it's holding the window, the glass. So I need to push it in and remove it out. Okay. This one on this side is done, and this one on this side is done, because for sure I have to take the glass off. And this one I'm gonna try to pull it down a little bit, but it's not going because the inside the mechanic inside of the motor is broken. That part, this piece here, where the cables go, it's broken, it's damaged, the other one. So here me pause it a little bit. So I have to take off the motor basically from, I had to detach it from there, and I pulled it down a little bit more. And okay, now I just need to reach there. Okay, yeah, he's out. He's out over there. I'm gonna try to pull it out now. Okay, yeah. The glass is almost out. Okay. My phone ran out of battery of memory, so I had to go home, and I brought the computer and transferring the files, but still it started raining, so and I'm glad I came on time because it was getting wet, so I had to put the glass again, just improvising. And this is what I did. So I pushed this system with the little engine of the glass engine. I pushed it to. I pushed it everything down, and then to the bottom left corner of the door, there, in that corner, everything down, and then I had to pull these edges out, the edges on the right side, and start taking it like this. It's a bit difficult, but it's out. You see, look, it's out. The system is out anyways. So there is a plug also. There is a plug that I need to remove there. You see, there is a plug there. See here, the plug is there. It connects to the engine. You see, you probably see it here. So it's an easy plug to take off anyways, and I'm going to finish assembling it in my house, in the house, because it's raining, because I need to have this ready today. It needs to be today. So I'll record while assembling it there, because I need to change the cables also, and it's not going to be easy for sure. Okay, so I had to bring the system into my room and fix it here. I make sure I took a picture of it. Okay, so I can remember where all the bits go. And now I'm going to open this little part here, which takes the motor, it takes the little engine, and I'm going to replace the part. Okay, so as you see, it was just taking the screws. It was 3 screws here. It's like a Allen key, and then inside there is that is broken there. See, I need to replace it. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, I lifted this, and look at that mess. It's completely damaged. For sure I need to replace the cables. So these cables, they're not good. They're not good at all. They're gone. Wow, what a mess. What a mess. Okay, that's it. I'm going to clean, I'm going to replace, and let's see how it goes. I'm lacking some tightening straps, but maybe I buy it later on Asda. And that's it, assembling. Big mess here, but it's not impossible, it's doable. Okay. So basically it's like this. The cables, they in the both tips they had this lead mass there, so the cables don't escape, and to hold them, of course. And there is the two tips here. On mine they are red, on the old ones, and it seems that I need to replace the whole system. I cannot take cables and pass cables through. This is built in a way that there is no way of passing, if I'm not mistaken. But I will try. I will try to pass, which most probably it won't work, but I will try still. So no, I tried to see if it was possible to pass the cables, but it's not possible. Like this. You see, the cable doesn't pass there. The little, not even on the other side. So I need to replace the whole system. Okay, complication. So I was able to fit the new part there. You see, the old one is broken. It's completely broken. There, just shattered. It's gone. And I put the cables inside, one that side, another one that side, okay? And then I will reverse it, and then I'll put on the rest of the circuit, okay? So next, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put this and cover it. So now I have to find how it's going to be, but yes, I'm going to find out, and that's what I have to do, because he has to cover there, otherwise it's going to jump off. Okay, when fitting this, need to be very careful, and there is a pin over there. It goes into the middle, and then the screws, and just tight. Okay, now cable passing. I think the best thing here is, if you know you're not going to remember how to pass it, you come with a line of this one. I started with a line of this one, and I'm going to cut this cable, this thing over there. Just get one cutter here, sharp cutter, and I'm going to cut this holding stripe here. So I'm going to remove this one on this side, okay? And there is a wheel here. Okay, yeah. And okay, yes, okay, I see. So the cable comes out. So this one is out, yeah? This one is completely out of the scene, and then I go and I put it back there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to put it inside like this. Well, let me see if this thing comes out. No, for sure it won't come out. So I have to spin it, maybe. Yes, I can spin it a little bit. So yeah, okay. So it creates a passage. If you spin it there a little bit, it will create a passage here. Yeah. Okay, it's inside. It created a passage, and then I put it like that, so it doesn't come out. That goes into the part. I could replace for new ones. I could replace for the new ones. Let me check if I can do something about it, because if right that I'm here I can replace it, but these ones, they are still okay. So these ones, they are still okay. So the cable now, it's going here. Done. Okay, yeah, the cable is going here inside the moving part. Yeah, it's not very difficult. It's not stretched. I don't know why, but maybe in the end I will have to yeah, maybe I'll have to take it off again, do the system and roll it over there. Yes, because it will be the window, it will be up. So if it will be up, then for sure it will have to release, and if it will have to release, then I have to go back to that system. Yeah, because it's a left cable here and I need to spin it there, roll it, put it there, and it needs to be stretched, everything stretched. Okay, I stretched everything, I stretched all the cables. The system is there just like it was before with the new cables. Yeah, now I just take the screws again, this, and what I have to do is that I have to spin this. Yeah, so I need to be careful so the cables, they don't come out of place. Okay, so there is some spongy parts here. I think they're supposed to be holding the cable. This one is escaping from there. That's what they do. Yeah, you see, they start escaping. So I need to put them back again. Okay, anyways, let me spin it around here. Maybe if I take the wall part and I spin. Oh, oh yeah, okay. So I'm going to put it inside. It's not a sweet pear, no. It's kind of a... Okay, so now I have to spin around. So okay, so one of them has to roll. One of them has to roll. Or is both of them? I think maybe it's both of them. Let me try to make it outside. Let me try to spin. Okay, so probably this one is enough. And this one also. Okay, actually. Okay, I roll it over in the little wheelie. It's completely rolled over. You see the cable inside. Now I'm going to try to put it here, inside here. Okay, so I put the cables first. Or maybe let me try to fit it there, like that. Okay, and I think it should be like this. Here it goes. Okay, yeah. Okay. So yeah. Right. It made a click. Okay. I think I did it. So there is some loose cables. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put this one here in its own place. I'm going to put some screws. And actually I need to be very careful when tightening this up, because this is plastic, so it might happen that it can start to escape and it destroys the plastic. I know this is not very Catholic, this one, but it's still holding. And then I can do it by hand, manually, so because the machine is too strong for this. Okay. This one continues spinning because, okay, but it's alright. So now I'm going to stretch cables. Maybe. I suppose this is the most difficult part anyways. So, I think here maybe I did it too much. I shouldn't have spinned it too much. It spinned too much. Because this cable, yeah. I need to open it again and I need to give a little bit more space. Well, it seems like I have to take it off and stretch the cables because cables are coming out. So I don't really know what's wrong here. Oh, that one is going there. So yeah, this one is okay, this side, but that side is not okay. I need to roll it out. Okay, so here we go. So it's this side that I have to. Oh. Right. Now it was. Okay. And then this one. Gotta roll a couple more. Just need to be careful because if it is not well rolled, then big problems will happen. And I think I better take it off. And I have to do it all over again. Yeah, I have to do it all over again. It's completely crazy. So, okay. Now it's just a question of rolling it. Rolling. You know what I mean? Rolling, 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 rolling. And there he goes. And okay. So I need to leave some space here. And that one, it should be see if I need another round. Okay, I'm gonna risk it this side here, this size here, and that one. Otherwise I have to be taking and putting back again, I don't know how many times. This actually needs a lot of patience. It's a job that requires a lot of patience, you know. Okay. I think you can go for another spin. And well, I suppose this is it. Oh, well, I want to think that this is okay. Yeah, it's perfect. So now I have to grab them here. And pass cable here. Pass this one on this side. There we go. Yeah. Okay. You hear the click. I hope this is it. Oh my god. So I need to grab it and bring it up. See the pin? There it is, yeah. Okay, let's screw it again. Okay, for the moment I leave only these two. Let's do the cabling. Okay. After all, this gives a lot of work. Now is this side you want to see. Bring it up. Maybe. Maybe I got it right. Oh. Maybe I got it right this time. I hope so. And then I just leave it the rest for tomorrow because I'm tired today. And I need some rest. And oh yes. Oh yes. Here we go. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, he escaped from here. He seems perfect. Seems like he's very tight, but maybe too much. Oh no. So now I need to turn it to the other side, I think, or let me see how much time do I have. I need to put these ones inside like that. There we go. Yes, it's gonna be perfect. It's gonna be perfecto. Oh, he grabbed my glove. Uh-oh. Yes, I did it. Okay, look, the system is done. Whew. It's stretched, the cables are stretched, so when I apply the system, they're the same length here. Look, the same length. So when I apply the glass, it's gonna be perfect. So yeah, look, he's not escaping. This is the clamps here. Look, he's working perfectly, both of them. Oh yeah. Oh, that was hard. And I think I can rest a little. Okay everyone, as I showed you before, this is assembled. Now I'm just gonna put it back into place. It's really windy today, but it's not raining, which is good. Rain would be worse. So I suppose it's like this, and you gotta go like this. If I remember, this was very difficult. This was a very difficult part to do. Don't forget to plug. Oh, I need to turn off the car. Okay. I don't know, my battery is not very good charging. They give a lot of problems. Okay, it's in. It's in. Careful with the cables. Well, the cables here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, so maybe I need to make it go up a little bit. Okay. So I know it's working. Sure, I can see it's almost there, but there is something here in the way. There is something here in the way. Okay, yeah, right. So, yeah, one is there, and the other one is here. So, screws, and we're going. So, guys. The golden ones, well, at least they were different. There I go here. Golden ones, I remember. So then there is the golden ones like this. The other ones, I think it was just knobs. They go up. Go here. Okay, I don't know why he stopped, but he was making a funny noise here. I don't really know what it is, but okay, so now I need to put this back into place. So maybe what he just wants is to have everything back into place, you know. But I see that there is pin. All the pins are there. Yeah. All the pins are there. It's perfect. So guys, that's it. It's working. Now I'm going to assemble it back again. I don't have much time of video, but this is it. You know, it's not a very difficult thing to do. Sometimes if you can do it, you better do it instead of paying I don't know how much, you know, because this is UK. They charge you like the eyes of the one eyeball. That's how much they charge you. But if you want to save some money, you can do it yourself. If you want to see more tutorials of me repairing stuff, my name is Phil. This is VersatileTec, electronics or whatever, technician. And if you like my videos, just give it a like, subscribe, and whatever. If you don't want, just watch the video, make a download, save it for yourself if you need. You know, watch. I do this in order to help others. So you can find something like me. I didn't find anything explaining me these things, so I had to do it by myself. So have a good time and stay well.